Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In German cuisine, Butterschmalz is an important recipe ingredient. Butterschmalz is more or less clarified butter or ghee. Clarified butter consists of the pure butterfat, as the water and milk proteins are extracted, which extends the shelf life. Clarified butter adds the wonderful butter aroma to a dish, while you can use it at high temperature without burning. And the best part is, you can use less fat for your recipe if you use clarified butter instead of other fats. Let me show you an effortless way to make Butterschmalz at home. Add the butter to a saucepan or small pan and melt it over medium-low heat. Move the saucepan occasionally to avoid burning the butter, but don't stir it with a spoon. After a few minutes, the white lactoproteins will float to the surface. Now bring the butter to a boil until it foams up. Continue to simmer the butter for about 20 minutes, but lower the heat to a medium-low setting. This will break the milk proteins apart from the fat and they will sink to the bottom of the saucepan. After about 20 minutes, take the saucepan from the stove and let sit for about 15 minutes. Now pour the butter through a mesh strainer lined with paper towel or a coffee filter into a heat-proof bowl. Repeat the process and transfer the clarified butter to an airtight container or jar. These steps are necessary to remove any kinds of solids or brown particles. The Butterschmalz will keep for at least half a year if you keep it refrigerated. Try some of our German recipes. If you have questions, leave us a comment or write an email. We will always answer as fast as possible. Guten Appetit!